if you haven't found this already, this is everything you want to know about ChatGPT and were afraid to ask. You'll find it on this YouTube channel. I'm just briefly going through here so you can get an idea. All the different prompts, etc. you can. And this is from Keywords Everywhere, the keyword tool. If you go to their home page, you can just install for Chrome, install for Firefox. Absolutely brilliant keyword tool. And when you use it in ChatGPT, when you signed up and got your account free, okay, go to templates and just look at this. Choose a category: copywriting, marketing, SEO, social media. We'll just put social media for a minute. Subcategory: Facebook, Instagram, everything there. We'll just say YouTube. Select, do you want a script? Short script, title, description, transcript to an article, ad generator, video calendar. That's just one. Look at all the different possibilities you've got here. Copywriting, blog writing, book writing, content writing, and so on and so on. Absolutely incredible what you can do here. So there's a really great free tool you can use for all your social media, for all your content, if you like. Let's just do a quick engaging thread, and then we can choose a language, humorous, descriptive. Look, you can see all the different tones that you can use: serious, sarcastic, romantic. I'm just using let's do creative, descriptive, topic, keyword research. No, Chat GPT. That's the topic. Execute the template, and Chat GPT will just go ahead and write all this content for you. And these are tweets. Oh, sorry, this is a thread. Okay. Absolutely astonishing. So head over to Keywords Everywhere and grab this for free. And the only thing you ever have to pay for when you're using the tool is for how many searches you do after, I can't remember, thousands. Have a look. 10,000, 100,000 credits is 10 euros. Okay? So, pretty cool tool. Go back into Chat GPT, and there's our thread, all done, ready to go. I hope that helps you guys. I'm Ed Kerwin, and I look forward to seeing you in another video. Bye now.